Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to view your Discord Wrapped. Discord Wrapped is an annual summary of your activity on Discord. It highlights your engagement and server participation throughout the year. It shows details such as how many messages you've sent. It's an interactive way to reflect on your year on Discord. To view your Discord Wrapped, watch for announcements from Discord. These are usually shared through official channels or in-app notifications. When it's available, click the provided link or access it directly from the app. Some Wrapped features include personalized graphics and shareable stats. You may also see interactive elements showing usage trends. Discord Wrapped is a fun way to look back and understand your online habits. It also highlights your favorite communities and interactions. Make sure to check it out and see how you spent the year connecting with others. We've learned how to access Discord Wrapped and view your yearly stats. This includes messages, top servers, channels, and emojis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.